In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut on Snapchat. But before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel because that helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to locate and open your Snapchat app. This works whether you're on iPhone or an Android. So let's open it up. And then what you want to do is just take any photo or a video. And of course, you don't need to send it to anybody. Then you want to tap on send to. And now to create the shortcut, just click on the plus icon on the top left, click on plus, click on the people you want to create the shortcuts for, and then on the top click choose emoji and add whatever emoji, and then create shortcut. And boom, if I click on here, that person I added under that shortcut is right over here. And if I click on it again, it will just go back, or I can click on the X to go back. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave a like. And if you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out.